Shifting from second to third gear causes beginners to fumble. But why is it so hard to do without looking? Because forcing the stick in a diagonal line usually results in grinding. Take a driver accelerating in second gear, needing to smoothly transition to third while keeping their eyes on the road. The secret lies in the gearbox layout. The gears are connected by a central horizontal corridor, where no gear is actively engaged, known as the neutral zone. Because second gear is at the bottom left and third is at the top middle, the path appears to require a precise, visually guided zigzag motion. But here's the hidden mechanical assist. When the stick is pushed straight up out of second gear, an internal mechanism automatically snaps it to the exact center of the neutral zone. This means the actual shift is much simpler. You just push straight forward once to release into the auto-centering neutral, and push straight forward one more time to slide directly into third. So what about that driver accelerating in second gear that we mentioned at the start? They just push forward, let the stick center itself, and push forward again to hit third without ever looking down.